Hello, my traders. Welcome back to another live stream. Yeah, so just a quick recap from yesterday. Keep saying let's get out of that habit. So remember, I was saying if you get that break above these highs, we got it yesterday. We had that break after I finished the stream around at 2:30. We had this break, and literally, I closed it literally around 15 pips. 20 pips I think I closed it out, and yeah, literally we didn't get the push what we wanted, didn't get that one-to-one trade, so that trade was a break even. So we're just going to get rid of that. Just to quick recap, so also the 1 hour support, you can see it's broken this 1 hour support level, but it's not a nice clean breakout. Price looks to me like it might close back below it, but we don't know. But at the same time, we need to be wary of it. And I'm also seeing a new inner trend line away from that 4 hour trend line. So I'm seeing a trend line on the 1 hour, like how price is reacting. And you can see they've lined up pretty neatly, that trend line. So we're going to have to keep our eye on that trend line. But gold is definitely moving slow. You look on the 1 hour time frame, price is closing back below that 1 hour support. So we need to adjust, support 1 hour resistant level. So we just need to make a few adjustments on that resistant level. And here we go. Yeah, so that looks more cleaner and better. So let's go on a 5 minute. Wow, gold is just shooting back down. That's crazy. Cool. So right. Let's try find a setup on gold now. Funny thing is, I've missed this trade this morning. See that level of support is strong. Let's get rid of that. Clean that out. Let's clean out this chart a bit. Let's clean up the chart a bit. Cool. What is lovely now, we've got a retest of that broken resistant level on gold. But yeah, this looks pretty strong to me. So it's just a waiting game. And also don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. I stream every day from 12:30 p.m. London GMT time, looking at the gold chart, trading it as well. Cool. Do you have a... It's not a good place to sell. All right, let's look at the other currency pairs. All right. Oh, wow. Cool. Oil has just dropped. So overall, oil for me is in an uptrend. So we didn't get a high created resistant level. So for oil, I'll wait for price to... Cool. I want price to drop back down here. Play about. Can we get that break? Can we get a clean break like that? Or could we just get a straight break? Would be good if you can just get that straight break. But I would wait for a price. What's going on? I would just wait for price to come down at that level. See how it wraps around the support level. So that could take a while. That could be tomorrow. But on a 5 minute time frame to get in on oil, it's pretty, you can see it's just trending down. Break up that EMA, which is good. Cool. Let's look at this 30. We're just going to look at other trading opportunities while gold does its thing. Right, that's what I'm seeing, some nice support. in 1 hour. Could we get a buy? Alright, cool. Right, if we're gonna buy on US 30, I'm gonna wait for the break above those highs. So if you can get a break above those highs, what I don't like about these highs as well, we are below our EMA. So sometimes that is a problem, I'll be honest with you. But if you can get a break above that high in the EMA, then you can see takeoff, a nice strong momentum to the upside. That would be good. Let me just keep double checking. Let me not sleep on gold. What's gold doing? All right, so 5-minute candlestick just closed, not quite below. All right, look at it. What's going on? What is good now is that look how this resistant level and EMA meets up perfectly. Like for me now, I'll be honest, it's hard to actually jump in gold now for a sell. If I do see a bullish engulfing alongside this bearish candlestick, but it looks like it's not going to happen now because, yeah, if that wick gets too long, so if price, yeah, this is dropping. Price pushes around to that 23,800 level, that could be problems. This next 5-minute candlestick is quite actually vital in terms of gold. If that closed below our EMA, sellers are really in control, and price will be coming down and drop to around this level. It's just not a good setup. Even if you get in now for a sell, probably people might get in for it now for a sell, but for me, it's not one of my setups, so I wouldn't even force that trade. If that closed like that, that's probably good. Yeah, that's dropping. That's crazy dropping. Oh, that's finished. That's done. That push was naughty. All right, cool. I don't know. We're gonna stay away from God, right? We'll stay away from that setup right now. We probably won't get a trade on live today because that's got to be a really big push to come back up. Right now, for me to even go for a buy, I got to see a bullish engulfing or a hammer. If I'll be honest with you. All right, let's just put a Fibonacci on this as well. This makes it really interesting. Where's this pulling back to? Oh, it's not even touching our green Fibonacci nicely either. The sellers are in control for me. Yeah, you probably would want to sell now. This probably could be a good opportunity to sell. Cool. So yeah, we're just gonna wait for opportunity on gold. We're just gonna watch this right now. So I'll be back in a couple of minutes. All right, cool. So this makes it interesting now with gold. So if this actually closes, if these close like that, then you can go for a buy. Yeah, literally, I will go for a buy. Bird buy. Apologies, people. This would be on my aggressive account, so this looks good for a buy. If I'll be honest with you. 34 seconds. Yeah, this we got to close. I mean, close. We've got. Right, so you could put a buy trade on this right now. Alright, so just based off of that, this is actually a good trade. You see the rejection of the green Fibonacci. It's quite actually good. For me to actually oh, that's like 100 pips. That's not bad. For your D1 target, that's not actually quite bad of the Fibonacci. If you were to hold for D2, could be a bit more. Looking at 150 pips there. That's quite good. So where we put our stop loss of this, let's not forget our stop loss. Risky trade. Alright, let's go. Ooh, risking around. I don't risk that much, do we? What's going on here? Why is it highlighted this price? I don't know. Let's at 2,327 is a nice 2,327 is a nice stop loss. Because if price goes below that hammer, then yeah, we just wanna 326 does look more than now we'll just keep it at 2,327. If price closes below it, then it's just not meant to be. Even though it could wick it and jump back up. 326 is not even worth another 10 pips, is it? Alright, so let's leave our stop loss at 2,327. That's going to be our stop loss. $2,327, yeah. So that's going to be our stop loss. So we're only risking 32 pips on this trade, which I think is quite good. It's not bad. So remember, that's just on our aggressive account, trading two accounts. So the trade I would want everyone to take is probably, if we are going to take a trade, let's just wait for that break above here, okay? The last highs. Let's wait for that break. But honestly, yeah, this is looking quite. All right, cool. The next candlestick. If the next two candlestick don't close quite bullish, then yeah, get ready for a stop loss to hit. I can see it. Like it's when you trade gold every day, you can see you begin to understand how gold wants to move, and you can see when the sellers really take control. You can see it happening before they actually gain the control. All right, so that's a nice trade. All right, cool. That's the trade setup we got for let me even screenshot it as well. Let's screenshot this. You see what time this is at 12:54. Yeah, we got. This is a pretty good setup. I'll be honest with you. We've got the pullback. Green Fibonacci is one of my favorite Fibonacci lines where price reject off. We've got the hammer. We've got the rejection of the EMA's price closing back above it. It's just now for this trade to actually play out. Buyers start to take control. But I am a bit wary of that resistant level, the 1 hour resistant level. And let's go on a 1 hour time frame. Also, let me show you what's going on. Was it the 1 hour or no, 4 hour? 4 hour, we had this nice hammer. But like I said, price as a whole, I did say it needs to close above this previous support level. So let me just run this back for you. So I did say if we get price to close above here, which it did, we should see movement towards the outside. We didn't. Price closed back down below it, which is letting me know. Look where price is rejecting this. Look. This level here is where you can see it is struggling to close. To get the takeoff, I think we do need to close above here. Let me see how that looks on the daily. Oh, see, look, we've got it on the daily. We even got a better view of it on the daily. So you see that this level here, where price has been struggling to close daily, you can see. I'm not gonna highlight this as that daily resistant level. It's strong. Look, we've had the breakout on the daily. Next day, wow, that drop closed back down below it. Also, you've got to remember we've still got this trend line. We had the break out of it before. I thought, yeah, good. Let's recap. We had the break of that resistance and the trend line. I thought, yeah, we're good to go. Price coming now, we're gonna test this all-time high. It didn't. And that's what I'm trying to say to you. I'm only trying to anticipate the way the market is trying to go. So right now, what I would say for gold is let's be wary of. See, look, now while I was doing my little rant, that 5-minute candlestick close. Struggling, man. It is struggling to actually gain some momentum back towards the upside. These sellers are really in control at the moment. Cool. All right. So that's it for gold right now. Let me just look at some other pairs. We're in this for buy. Yeah. So remember, when you're trading me, have 2 accounts. Have your account you only place 2 trades on a day is your more cautious account, and your second account is the more aggressive one. Like there's lots of prop firms that are doing like counts for like I've seen some like $50. Like that is cheap. Like, come on, like that's like grocery money. Like you probably spend. I know not everyone can afford $50, but if you are trying to get into trading, like invest in yourself, like 2 accounts by the lowest one, 5 grand each. Learn your trade, learn your craft. Once you master your strategy and you master your emotions and the mental side of things, you'll be okay. All right, cool. All right, let's look at other pairs. All right, we were saying about oil. We want oil to come. Oil's dropping, man. Damn, oil is dropping. I just feel like I'm missing out on this. I feel like I just wanted to get in it, but can't. There's no trade setup. This would have been a nice one. 10, 20, 30, 40. I feel like oil's gonna touch. It's gonna touch. I'll wait for a pullback. But it looks like they won't have no pullback. Missed this trade though. God, man. 9 o'clock this morning. What have I got in that? Oh no, that would have been nice. Oh, we've missed this to the T. Oh, that is horrible. We've actually missed this to the T. I need to pay more attention to oil as well. Cool, I missed that. US 30. Remember what I said? I want a break above those highs. I need a break above those highs before I even look at any buys for US 30. Then we've got that. NAS 100. Let me just clean this up. 19 joints. Let's just keep it on gold. Gold's at 19. Alright, so remember, alright, so if this starts dropping to like 29, like this price, so remember if you with that price level, like if the sort by change, no, we want to short by symbol. Oh, I've messed it all up. So stupid when I had gold, oil, all my forex pairs are at the bottom. So people about this. What's this? US 30 was third, I'm sure. NAS was fourth. Who are you? German, yeah, German 40, you go down there. Good to go now, better. Oh, yeah, we're looking at US 30. That's not. Sorry, I was also sorry to change. So 18. If she starts going to like 10, 11, yeah, gold's pushing towards the outside, then we're good to go. But if they start dropping to around 28, 29, could be in trouble. Cool, let's look at NAS 100. That's what we're looking at daily. Clean that up. What's going for NAS? Is this at its all-time high? Oh, it was. Wow. NAS was actually touching its all-time high this week, yesterday. Oh, wow. Last week, I mean, not yesterday, last week. Okay, so might get a. So NAS has got to pull back now. You can't just shoot straight up. So wow, already I can see it's finding some support already on the daily. Look on the 4 hour. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. We might even go for a buy on NAS, people. If I be honest with you, NAS is calling me for a buy. Actually, I'm not gonna go. I'm not gonna put it on there because I'm just. Let me calm down, relax. This looks good though. Yeah. If you're gonna buy NAS, it's probably a good time to buy now. This is good. I can get in on a 5 minute time frame. Would it be safe to get in now? It might be safe to get in now, if I'll be honest with you, on a 5 minute time frame. NAS does look good to buy now, if I'll be honest with you. Only problem thing I would say with NAS is that stuff that's going to be crazy. That stop loss must be what? Oh, fuck, no. That is a lot of pips. You definitely have to enter on a 5 minute time frame just to even catch that move. Even entering from here, how many pips have we just reached? Even from on a 5 minute, yeah, we're just going around 55, 39 pips. It's not bad. It's not worthless, but yeah. Probably wait for that closure above. You need to close to get in on NAS. You want to close above. Gold's still not moving. We're still at around 17. What's the price for that gold? We're still at around 2,300, 330. Price needs to change for me. $19,570. Stop loss. NAS, like literally, once NAS takes off, NAS is crazy once it takes off. Like NAS can do madnesses when it takes off. NAS is a madness when it takes off. I promise you. Where could you hold that to? NAS. Let's just look on a 4 hour. Respectfully, alright, cool. Gold's still not moving. We're still at 18. So don't worry, I've got my eyes on gold, even though I'm not like physically going on to it. I've got my eyes. It's just not gold. Back at 19. Let's just look at other pairs in the meantime. Nas, if you're Nas, you be very ambitious and hold it. Hold it at top here. It's a lot of pips, man. That is a lot of pips. Wow. I'm still messing up. That's that. For a lot of pips. Wow, that's crazy. Alright, so that's like 360 pips. I'm not gonna lie, if you do get a close, so for me, price has got to close above. Yeah, price closes above, then yeah, we got to get involved in this trade. Oh, gold's dropping down to 21. What are you playing at, gold? Alright, so let's look at some other pairs. I haven't traded forex pairs for hot minute. My favorite forex pairs to trade is GPP and UAD. The rest of them, I just don't even waste my time. Big up Q Banks. I listened to, he done an interview with Calvin, and it kind of clicked to me when he said, "Why waste your time with those pairs? They're slow. They literally are slow money." And he's right. Put all that energy and effort to them, and the reward is not as good when you trade indices, gold, or any like. I used to hate trading gold. Honestly, I used to hate it because it was so ruthless. But now I actually love trading gold. Like that is one of my favorite pairs. Gold is my favorite pair. Like even when I lose on it, I don't even get too upset about it because it's part of the game. So we're just gonna look at German for 40, just see if we see anything. Nothing I'll see about this. Nothing on the daily. 4 hour. A little bit of support. No, not really any good support to go off. It's okay. All right, cool. All right, let's leave that alone. GPP, JPY. Gosh, this is a. Am I seeing it? I was about to say it's not its all-time high. I'm sure it wasn't. But you know what? I did say this. We can touch. Look at that. My major resistant level. I said we would see it at some point. All those weeks that. So look, so saying in those 5 weeks, it's ranged from like 400 pips. Gold will double that. Oh my gosh, when did this break? I know I haven't been paying attention to this. This broke last week, Wednesday. Can't believe I did not even pay attention to this. And we had the retest. Yeah. So what now for gold? I mean gold for GPP, JPY. Alright, let's just see how price. Cool. We're gonna keep our eyes on this. We want to see how price reacts around that area. So I think it's quite good because we've got previous prices tested that area previously, which is good. Yeah. UAD. It's closed below that daily support. I did say we should see that touch that major support area, which looked like it wants to do. Any entry on the 4 hour? I'm not seeing much. This is sells for me all day. I don't know. This just looks boring. It's boring. This just looks boring. This setup just looks boring. To be honest with you. Let's go. Let's get back to gold. Alright, cool. This is not good. Yeah. These spinning tops. Gravestone doji. If that forms as a gravestone doji, that's not good. That's probably gonna hit our stop loss. Yeah, this ain't good. Alright, cool. That could hit our stop loss. Straight away, I saw it. The spinning tops are like, yeah, not good, not good, not good. You begin to understand how gold likes to move. 2 minutes, we've still got a lot of time to change, to be fair. It's still got this candlestick could look a lot different 2 minutes later. But the fact that, cool. Dragonfly doji 3 times and price hasn't even shot up from those Dragonfly doji where buyers are trying to take control of the market. It's not a good sign. Not a good sign at all. Oil's having a pullback. Cool. If we can get a touch of that previous resistance, then we're good to go. Nas, what's Nas? What are you doing? Nas is just playing about. Cool. Yeah, gold is just not. It's not it for me with gold. Nas moves crazy though. Alright, cool. So wow, that's bad. I'll be honest with you. Alright, so remember, we haven't took a trade on our main account. We are waiting for price. Close. Let's just get rid of that daily. Look, that chart's looking messy, I can see already. It's back in 5 minutes. Right, still no setup for the main account. But look, this is the aggressive account. Look, so that trade probably won't work out now. Alright, cool. So if you are looking to buy, be honest with you, price closes below this level, then I'm going to look to sell on my main account for gold. Because the sellers, for me, are really in control of this market, really in control. I think for the last few days, they have been in control for me. All the push, the momentum we should have got, we're just not getting it. It's just not happening. Like the dollar, yeah, sellers are really taking control. Wow, 29 seconds. Yeah, that's hitting TP. So what we now need to do for gold, that setup could be finished. I'll be honest with you, that's what was that? Around 30 pips on the aggressive account. That's not bad. Cool. No, I do like the Naz though. Naz is shooting up nice. That's gonna hit TP. Gold trade. That probably hit TP. So let's if it breaks. So if it, what am I doing? It's not a good sign. So if price closed below these previous lows, then we're looking for a sell on gold. Even though this could even hold, that level could even hold, and then. But when you see a shooting star, it's not good. It's bad news. It's bad news. What they would do is probably spike, probably take out everyone's stop loss and shoot up. See it all the time. Yeah, cool. All right, cool. So yeah, we're gonna leave it there. Yeah, just gonna wait and see. Just gotta wait. All right, cool. So that trade didn't even happen. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? All right, cool. That trade clearly did not happen. So we can get rid of that. Yes. I start. Wow, this, I told you the sellers are just in control, man. Is there news as well? Really? Well, let's go for a sell on our main account on this. That is a good, that. Oh, you know what? Let's just wait, actually. Because there's still 2 more minutes left on that candlestick. That could just change. Oh, I told you. Still 2 minutes left. So we would want the break. Look at that, man. I did say before, remember what I said? Just make sure my mute's not muted. Make sure my mic's not muted. I did say before, I had the feeling price is going to take everyone's stop losses out and then shoot right back up. And this is what it looks like it's doing. It's definitely doing that. Cool. So remember, we still ain't took 1 trade on the aggressive count. That was 30 pips just gone. So we're just gonna wait. I just need price to break above those highs. Yeah, this is looking strong. Right. 1 second. People. How funny is that? And the price will come down, clean out everyone's stop loss, then come back up. I see it all the time. Now, if you really want to be aggressive, press take those out, go for a buy. That should be the end of that. Buyers really came back in control though. So let's go back to come on, where is it around? I ain't moved that much, yeah. So look what that just did. Look what just happened, what the market just did. How cleanly it rejected off that green Fibonacci. Green, blue, blue Fibonacci of the EU. 78.16 AL. That is crazy. Cool. I just want to show you, look. Yeah. Look at SPAC. The market knows everyone's stop losses here. So look at that SPAC. Bang. Cool. We do want to break. Nah, see, that makes it awkward now because where do we go from here? We're definitely in a seller's market. Wait for price to close below. Honestly, let's close like that. It's gonna be hard not to sell. All right, we're gonna go for a sell on the main account. Yeah, we need to go for a sell on the main account, 100%. All right, we sold. Sold gold, people. We sold gold. All right, cool. We sold gold right now. But yeah, honestly, I don't like. This is a big stock. This is a big stock loss. Now I'm gonna put our stock loss out. It's kind of big though, man. 2, 3, 2, 3, 3, 1, 500. That's what we're gonna put our stop loss at. It's going around 50 pips. Cool. Definitely in the seller's market. Yeah, we are definitely in the seller's market, if I'll be honest with you. All right, so we're going to let that trade play out. Literally let it play out. 2,331.500. All right, cool. That's how it goes. All right, this is on the main account. Don't know why, but this trade just don't feel right. It don't feel too good to me. I'll be honest with you. I'm not really liking this trade because of the support level. I am going to be wary of that support level. If price don't break that support level, then and I see any form of reversal candlestick pattern, we're getting out of that trade. It's not happening. We're just going to get out of that trade. All right, cool. So yeah, we're just going to leave it. See how the trade plays. All right, cool. It's annoying. This is literally just missed our TP, literally 5 pips off the TP. But yeah, this candlestick closes. Like I said, this resistance level is what I'm worried about. Support level is what I'm worried about. So right now, so let's manage this trade. Let's just move our stop loss to break even now because we need to manage this trade. So people, move your stop loss to break even. Even though I think price would hit, but just we need to manage this trade. So please move your trades to break even. Just 1 pip away, you know, it's crazy. Yeah, manage this trade to break even because it's about protecting the account. So we might even break this trade might even break even. So definitely this is going to be the last trade for me. This is going to be last trade for me from today. Got it though, broke even. That was annoying, isn't it? So long as you've got this trade managed, that's the main thing. So alright, cool. Stop losses broke even. Yeah, that's it, man. That's going to be the end of the stream for me. I just hope you enjoyed that. I remember we took one trade today on our main account. I just show you that some people message me, they want to see a bit more trades going on. So I'll just show you what else you can see in the market, what can happen. But yeah, man. So that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed the stream. Catch me again back at 12:30 p.m. tomorrow, London GMT time. Hopefully there'll be more trading opportunity, and then yeah, we take it from there. But yeah, this trade look like it's gonna hit break even, and we take it from there. Actually, you know what? If this closes like this, people, I'm not gonna lie, we're gonna have to go for a buy before I even finish end the stream. If this closes as a hammer, we've got to go for a buy. Yeah, we have to go for a buy. Have to, just have to. Fine. Just have to go for a buy. All right, cool. All right, that's it, people. We're gonna go for a buy on gold. You have to go for a buy. It's a madness. You just have to. I'm trying. Oh my days, connect, man. All right, cool. Going for a buy on gold right now as we speak. I'm literally just about to go. Oh my gosh! But I just saw an opportunity in gold. I'm just like saying to you, like, this is crazy. But just have to. I feel like you just have to. I feel like that's too much. Cool. I was just about to end the stream. All right. So how much pips are we risking? Our stop loss is gonna. Oh, 64 pips. Cool. All right, is what it is, isn't it? That's a lot though. 20. Let's go at 2,000. Our stop loss is gonna be at 3,320.5. Yeah, that's a nice stop loss. Risking around 60 pips. Oh, yeah. So risking around 60 pips. Right, the whole fact that we are going for a buy on this is just that. See where it is now. Should be very ambitious. Hold this for a nice 100 pips. So we didn't get the break we wanted here. Should we look out for that? We'll look out for those two levels. All right, cool. All right, that's the end of the stream. I'm gonna update you on X how this trade went. Yeah. So that's it, people, man. Peace out. See you again tomorrow back at 12:30. You know what? This might not even work. Yeah, go. Don't play about with me today. I keep trying to end the stream and I'll just see something different. Cool. Yeah, peace out. I'll update you on X how this trade went. Don't forget to join me on the social media, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you again tomorrow at 12:30. All right, trade smart people. See you in the next one.